Hi, hello, and welcome back to Love's Tales. So, here today we are going to see about how to make the easiest pen stand. So, let's get into the video. So, here today I'm going to take a red, white, and black color origami sheet. You can take any other color. I'm going to make white as the base color. You can take any. So, as I said, I'm going to take four 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter white color origami sheet and two red color 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter and two black color 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter. So take a sheet and make as I do in this video. So do it for all the 8 sheets. Now take a 25 centimeter thick sheet of origami sheet or any chart paper for the base of the pen stand. Add a glue and paste it. Now cut the extra sheets of the origami paper. And our pen stand is ready. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.